What if you could use something like Claude Code without paying anything? No subscription, no API bills, just a free setup that actually works. In this video, I am going to show you a real alternative to Cloud Code using Kimi K2.6, and we will run it through Cloudflare so you get free usage every single day. And this isn't just theory. I'll show you how to set it up, connect it, and actually use it to generate code, build projects, and speed up your workflow. If you've been looking for a way to code with AI without spending money, this might be exactly what you need. So let's get started. So the key part of this setup is Cloudflare. If you don't know, Cloudflare recently started offering something called Workers AI, where you can access different AI models directly through their platform. And here is the interesting part. We actually give you a free daily usage limit. That means you can send requests to model like Kimi K2.6 without paying anything, as long as you stay within that daily limit. So instead of running models locally or paying per APIs, we are basically using Cloudflare as a free bridge to powerful AI. Now let me show you exactly how to set this up step by step. So before moving to the setup, let's first of all check the benchmark of Kimi K2.6 model. So this is artificial analysis website where you can just analyze the AI models. So let's come here to the intelligence. So this intelligence part, and here we will see the intelligence of Kimi K2.6. Okay, he has 508 models total, and these are 28 models. We can see, look at the top, we have a few models, but on fifth and number fifth, we have the Kimi K2.6. It means it is just competing with the top models like GPT 5.5 is 60, but the Kimi K2.6 is 54. As it is an open source and free model, so it is competing with these top models. Look at the Cloud of Pose 4.7, which is 57, and this is 54. And also Gemini 3.1 Pro and GPT 5.4. That is 57, this is 54. And ahead from the rest of open source and closed source models like Minimax, Mimo, MuSpark, and other models that you can see the list. Also with the DeepSeek version 4, which recently released. So it means that the Kimi K2.6 is one of the best model free and open source to use it. So we will use this Kimi K2.6. You can also check here, just go through this website and check the uh, powerful and the power of Kimi K2.6 model. So to set up this, we will move to the cloudflare.com website, which provide us the free access. So first of all, we will create our account inside this. So let's log in and we will create our own account. So come here down and sign up. We would like to create our new fresh account inside this Cloudflare website. I will create my account and I will come back. After creating your account, this is the area where you will paste the dashboard that you can see now. To get the API key for Kimi K2.6 AI model, for that we will come here to the left side and you can see AI. Click on this and then we will come to the Workers AI. Press this. So it will load that and build your AI application. So here you can see build and deploy our REST API. So we will click on REST API. Click this. So that's it. Okay, so after coming to this page, here you will have account ID and also we will generate API key. So here you can see a button also create a Workers AI API token. So both this token and this ID will help us to set up the environment. So to set up the environment, for that we will use the coding open code tool. So let's move first of all to the opencode.ai. It will help us to just set up the interface. So look at it has GUI tool and also extension or like VS Code extension, and also it has CLI tool. So we will use the CLI tool of this. If you would like to install this, come here to the npm and npm -g -g globally open code AI and just install that. Let's copy this and I will open it inside uh, a folder. Just Kimi and right click open in terminal. I would like to open this folder. Simply right click and paste that and it will install open code. I have already installed that. After the installation, simply write open code. So it will open the CLI tool of open code. This is the CLI tool of open code. You can use the GUI tool also, which has a desktop application. So Right now, the model is big typical, but we would like to use our own model, which is provided by Cloudflare. So to use our own model for that, come here and we will come back to the interface. Simply here, write connect. Press enter. So after coming to the connect, and we would like to use our own provider. So for that, we will search for Cloudflare Worker AI. Look at here, you can see, select this. After selecting that, it required account ID. So as I showed you, we have here the account ID, copy the account ID and paste that here and press enter. After that, it requires API key. So for the API key, come here back and here we will generate our API key. You can see this interface and yes, create API token. So that's it. This is our API token. So let's copy this. Copy that has been copied and let's paste that here. So after pasting that, press enter. So you can see that we have the list of models from Cloudflare Workers AI. Now we will search for Kimi K2.6. You can see that is at the top, Kimi K2.6. Let's select this one. Look at now the model Kimi K2.6 is selected. By pressing tab button, we can change this build to plan. So we can just make a plan now. By pressing tab back, we can just implement it, means write the code directly. Let's ask from this, hey, which model is this? Simply something like this. And now let's ask from this model. Yes, you are currently interacting with Kimi K2.6 model. That's it. Okay, from Cloudflare Workers AI. You can ask like to generate HTML files or create projects or fix bugs, whatever you want. So just simply ask. But we will just ask a simple question to implement something uh, for us. I just ask, can you create an HTML 3D scene of the ocean? Simple like this. Press enter. So it will create now HTML file for us and give us the code of the 3D scene of ocean. So that has completed. So look at the created ocean 3d.html file for us. Let's open that. Come here to the folder. Look at we have ocean 3D. Let's open this 3D ocean scene. So it is loading the API. Yeah, you can see something like this. Just look at this. Put this. Use it. Right click. And go like this. Right in left side. So this was just the result that you can see. Just ask from it and it will just extend this project whatever you want. So just simply ask from this tool, so it will do it for you. So it was all about this, to use Cloud Code free alternative open code with Kimi K2.6, a very good AI model for free with Cloudflare. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this using AI and coding. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.